Hey, it's Miss Alana here, working on math, getting smarter and smarter every day, just like you. Today is Monday, October 30th. It is almost the end of October, starting a new month. All right, so make sure you have your graphing notebook. Are you ready for today's assignment? All right, so today's assignment, I'm going to give you the instructions, but it's going to be kind of like a make your own assignment. So I will let you know what you have to do. All right, so here is a set of numbers. A set of numbers, and I'm going to go through these instructions again. So here are a set of numbers. Can you see that? If you need to pause it, go ahead and pause that. All right, now with these numbers, you need to do 4 different things for me, okay? The first thing I need for you to do is to make 5 different addition problems, okay? And like I said, I'll show you some examples in a little bit. So the first thing I need for you to do is to make 5 different addition problems. So you're going to pick whatever numbers here. You're going to pick, let's say, for example, that one and that one, add it together. And then you can do that one and that one, add it together. So you're going to do 5 different problems, all right? So that's the first thing I need for you to do. The second thing I need for you to do is to make 5 subtraction problems, okay? So for example, you can do 3 and 185 thousandths minus 2 and 157 thousandths. Now, when you do that, make sure what number goes on top? Always the larger number, the bigger number goes on top. All right, so that's the second thing I need for you to do. The third thing I need for you to do is to make 5 different comparing decimal sets. So for example, you can write these 2 numbers, 2 and 157 thousandths, 3 and 185 thousandths, and in the middle, you need to put a symbol greater than, less than, or equal to. All right, and I'm going to show you an example of that. And the fourth thing I need for you to do is to make 5 different sets of numbers. You're going to pick 3 numbers for each set, and then you're going to put them in order from least to greatest. Okay, is that what I said? Yep, least to greatest. All right, so I made a chart for you because you're like, what? What are you talking about, Miss Alana? I made a chart just for you. All right, so I'm going to show this to you again. All right, so you can pause back to this. All right, let me move because I put it over here. So we're going to move with the laptop. All right, do not move the laptop yourself. All right, so here is your daily math. Can you see it? Daily math assignment. So using the set of numbers, the first thing you need to do is make and solve 5 addition problems. Can you see that? Can you see that? All right, make and solve 5 addition problems. Write them vertically. So here's an example. Where's my example? Right there of an adding decimals. Go ahead and label adding decimals. And how many problems do I want you to do? 5 problems. All right, remember I said I'm going to give you the numbers, the set of numbers that I gave you, okay? Don't come up with your own numbers. All right, the second thing you need to do is make and solve 5 subtraction problems. Write those vertically. So here's an example right there. And you see how I showed how I regrouped? So you're going to write subtracting decimals as your label and then as your title, and then make 5 different problems. All right, and the third one, compare 5 sets of numbers using the symbols, was that greater than, less than, and equal to. And there's an example right there. So write your title, comparing decimals, and there's one example right there. And the last thing, order 5 sets of numbers from least to greatest. Use 3 numbers in each set. So here's ordering decimals as your title, and you see I picked 3 different decimals, and I put them in order from least to greatest. All right, so that is your assignment for today. Remember, how many adding? You're going to do 5 of those, 5 subtracting, 5 comparing, and then 5 ordering decimals. So if you need to play back the tape and see that, do that. So here again is your set of numbers to pick from. Now tomorrow I'm going to give you a new set of numbers. It's going to be the same assignment all week long. 5 adding problems, 5 subtracting problems, 5 comparing decimals, and 5 ordering decimals. But I'll give you a different set of numbers every day. All right, so get that done in your notebook. Don't forget to do your study ladder. How many tasks? 2 tasks. Do your MobyMax, 10 minutes of fact fluency, and 20 minutes of your math lesson for the day. Hopefully you got some of that stuff done in class today. If not, make sure you get that done at home. All right, so I will see you tomorrow. I'm going to check your notebooks. Make sure you have everything done. I know I owe you dojo points. The internet was finally working, so I'll get that to you all tomorrow. Please remind me. All right, I love you. See you.